Hello and welcome back to Happy Alpaca. Um, I This video is going out a lot later than I planned because I had heat stroke. Over the weekend, I had an outside event at the local farmers market. Well, not really a farmers market. It was more like an arts market. Um, and I was only out for a couple of hours, but for some reason, maybe because of some of my current health problems, um, I got overheated a lot more easily than I normally do. So yeah. I promise next video will be humanoid. This one is all about cute animals. And I apologize ahead of time for any background noise you might hear. I have my ice maker going because everyone in my house also has a stomach virus, and I'm recording midday, so it's a lot noisier than it normally would be. So as you can see, I did jump on the bandwagon of Strawberry Cow. I created this one probably back late 2020, I want to say. Late 2020, early 2021. I can't quite remember. I had it sketched for a really long time from 2020. I think I finally finished it in 2021. It's one of my favorites that I've done, really. I adore it, and it's the reason that the background for my banner that I put up at cons is strawberries, because I ended up making a strawberry background to go with this as an illustration when I put it on things in my shop. And I love the strawberry background so much it just took on a life of its own, and it is on things in my shop just as is. Like a blanket. I love it on the blanket. Anyway, that's beside the point. This is going to be all cute animals, and we have the Strawberry Cow, and the next is going to be some owl sketches that I did for my novel. I was just trying to get a grasp on how to draw owls, and I had a lot of fun with that. And I'm not going to sit here and talk this whole time. I'm actually going to let the music play out, and I'll come in toward the end, I guess, with a little thank you for watching stuff. So enjoy the owl sketches, and I'll see you at the end card. as you can see, I also jumped on the fruit cow bandwagon. I was just sketching at con, and this cute little blueberry cow happened, and I had to digitalize it, and so here you go. This is my blueberry cow. I want to thank everyone for their support at cons. If you've been to the cons and you're seeing this because you found it on my website, because you used my card, or you went to my Insta, I want to thank everyone who started following me since we started doing cons last August. It's been great, and you guys are really awesome, and I'm glad to have met you. I've met a lot of great new art friends, and you guys are just you make me smile, and it's so much more than friendship. Con is really family, and I'm thankful for all the people that I've met on this new journey of going to cons. And yeah, so the redesign on my website is done. We are uploading all of our stickers hopefully this week, and hopefully we can get pictures of our coloring pages that are going to be available on the website and all of that. So I guess that's it. This video is about to wrap up. I don't have enough words of gratitude to thank everyone for watching and for continuing to support me. I guess like and subscribe, and check out my Instagram, Happy Alpaca Art, on Insta, and my website is happyalpaca.com. You guys are awesome. I'll see you later. Bye.